this ain't no climate change. I said, this ain't no climate change, yeah? I'm not gonna talk about some... I'm looking here, walking here, thinking of... I want to talk about climate change. I don't want to talk about climate change. I don't want to talk about the climate crisis. I don't want to talk about whatever's gone down, what's happened. I want to talk about us. You, me, this country, our country, my country. I want to talk about if this country loves me yet. Like in your time, in your day, in 2020, 22, does it love me yet? Because that's what I want to talk about. That's what I want to talk about with you. Because I'm scared, man. I'm so scared. I'm scared that it hasn't yet. I gotta say these things to you. Because things aren't how they should be. You think just because we're in 2052 that things are all better. That things are all rosy and merry here. That none of the stuff you did has somehow seeped through. Getting this to you might be my only chance in getting you to make sure you don't make things more messed up than they already are. Like when you see people who look like me, who talk like me, who you send back home, who come from where I come from. When their home is right here. I want you to treat us like we belong here. Like this country is ours too. Like we're part of the fabric. Like we're Welsh and more. And don't be asking where we really come from. Because we come from here. This country, our country. Are you listening? Wales, in 2022, are you listening? Maybe you're not. Maybe you're just doing your washing or whatever. Maybe this message just appears out of nowhere, but I hope you're listening. Because I want this country to love me and to love people who look like me. And I mean proper love. Like if this whole country doesn't love us, then you're actually beautiful. You're actually so buff, you know. When you deep it, you're so beautiful. Unreal. Unlike anything I've ever seen, you know. Some people would rather go to Ibiza or New York or Spain, but me, I'd rather stay with you. Eating Joe's ice cream. Watching you. Listening to you. Over anything.